Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are using WeBull for trading and you want to buy stocks using PayPal, I will show you how in this quick guide. So let's dive into the steps. First, open your WeBull app and go to the deposit section. Unfortunately, WeBull doesn't natively support PayPal, but you can link your PayPal to a connected bank account. Start by transferring funds from PayPal to your bank account that is linked with WeBull. Once your PayPal funds are in your bank account, head back to WeBull and transfer those funds into your WeBull account. So this might take a couple of days depending on your bank's processing time. And after your WeBull account is funded, you are ready to buy stocks. Navigate to the market section, search for the stock you want to buy, and place your order. WeBull offers options like market orders, limit orders, and more for flexibility in trading. And that is how you buy stocks on WeBull using PayPal. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.